2022 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 24,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, auto climate control, keyless entry. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.